Good evening, folks. Just figured I'd do a little shout out video here to my friend Dave up in Foxtrap, Newfoundland, in Conception Bay South, and his YouTube channel Made in Foxtrap. I done a little shout out on the community part of my YouTube channel there about a month or so ago, and he's gained a few extra subscribers. Right now he's up to 330 subscribers. Geez, that's not bad. I'd like to get him up to a nice few more subscribers. So, if anybody anybody subscribed to my channel, I would be greatly appreciated if you could make a trip over to Made in Foxtrap and subscribe to Dave's YouTube channel. He has quite a number of videos on his channel. Everything from AC switches that's blown up to shovels, replacing T handles on a shovel. He does it on everything. On antenna building he does. He goes full in depth on the construction method. He also does it on the got videos put on the gamma match. This one here, which is, he's got a nice few views on that one, 3.3200 views on that one. He's doing pretty good. He also loves to build recumbent bicycles, and boys, you've got to see these. They're crazy. And I've yet to try one. Perhaps in the spring I'll jump on one and see if I can see what they're like. But he also loves growing tomatoes in the summer and whatnot. There's videos on that. Videos on building a boat, flat bottom boat. Doing a slingshot gun here. He also does a fair bit of video on, does a little bit of on the history of Foxtrap. Got a couple videos here. And he's got a nice few little videos put up there, and I think a lot of you would be interested in what he posts. He's been on YouTube now roughly 3 years by the looks of the first video that he uploaded on a 2-meter 5/8 wave vertical antenna. So I think you should take a shot over and see what he has. And he's always building something, fixing something. He's like myself in a lot of ways. He knows a fair bit about AC and antenna building. So, it would be awesome if you could run over there and subscribe to his channel. As he says, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Recycling junk into functional devices by VO1 Delta Victor in Foxtrap, Newfoundland. Early history of Foxtrap, Conception Bay South, Newfoundland. Wood carving, metalworking, antenna building, tomato gardening, recumbent bicycle building. He's been on YouTube since 2011. And yeah. So, if you don't mind, it'd be awesome if you can go over and visit Mr. Dave at Made in Foxtrap, 5539. I'm sure he'll be greatly appreciative of any subscribers that he can pick up. And he's relatively new to uploading on videos and stuff, and I think he's doing a marvelous job. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you later, and I think I'll do some more shout out videos in the near future. Anyways, let's see if we can't get his subscribers up even more. Let's see if we can get him up to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000. Come on, boys. There's 3,600 of you here on my channel. How about you all jump over onto Made in Foxtrap and subscribe to Mr. Dave. Anyway, folks, all the best, and we shall chat later. 363. We're out of here.